In this video, we will show you how to map switch between four maps on the fly, how to adjust the torque in each of the four maps, and how to set up valet mode. The four maps can be set up by your tuner using our tuning software Pro ECU. For example, you could have a track and fast road maps together with an economy cruise and a customized valet map. In Pro ECU, the tuner has a wide range of options to set up the system. You can adjust the timeout in the adjustment process, how long the button delay is, and each of the four maps can be set up individually with an overall max demand and scaler for torque. In valet mode, you can set torque and or speed limit. These can be based on time and or distance. In this example, the torque is set to 200 Newton meters for the first 7 kilometers and then reduces to 160 Newton meters for the next 73 kilometers. Maximum speed is set at 50 kilometers an hour for the first 7 kilometers and reduces to 10 kilometers an hour for the next 73. And finally, you can enable the power gauge hijack so as the torque can be adjusted by the driver for each map switch mode. Let's see this in action. To get into map switch mode and switch between maps, press the res on the cruise control and hold until you see the rev counter move to either 1, 2, 3 or 4, then let go. This is the current map you are in. To move between maps, press the increase or decrease speed button on the cruise control. The rev counter will move to show you which map you are in. To set the map, press set. We also have a Hyundai valet mode. Go into map switch mode as previous by holding down the res button. Cycle through the maps until the rev counter goes round to 7, then press set. Your tuner will tell you how to take the car out of valet mode, as this is not covered in this video for obvious reasons. Another great feature included with RaceROM is the ability to adjust the power for each of the four maps yourself. How cool is that? Get the power gauge up on the display, then enter into a map as shown. Once in the map, quickly press the res button again. Now press the plus or the minus buttons on the cruise control to adjust the max power for the map you are in. See the power gauge moving? When you are happy, just hit the res button, then the set button. This adjustment can be made in all four maps. Okay, so now you know how to work it. Let's switch maps while we're driving, as demonstrated by our lead calibrator on VAG, Eddie. We're going to start in map 2. So we're in map 2. We're now going to switch up to map 4.
If I turn it down, for instance, if I put it back at 2, so if I set it and put it at 2, and I go back up, you see it go less. And then off. So right now it's less power. Before it was all the power the car has.
Yeah.
And now it's restricted. Full throttle. So the car is much more subdued.
So that's it. Simple as that. Ecutek's VAG map switching and power gauge hijack with valet mode. We hope you enjoy it.